everybody, this is Gilley's restaurant inside the Treasure Island Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. Go right in there and you can get seated.
Let's look at the menu here at Gilley's. Comment below what on the menu that you would have. Gilley's has nightly drink specials, free line dancing lessons at 7 o'clock. Lone Star Burger.
Let's check this out.
What would you give out of 5 stars?
5 stars.
5 out of 5
really
stars.
Good.
Is it juicy?
Yeah.
How about the fries?
I like it.
What would you give the fries out of 5? I got the pulled pork barbecue with burger and pulled pork. So you got the burger and the pulled pork on it. Let's check it out. I got the cowboy. So it's got the burger and the barbecue pulled pork all in one. It's like a double sandwich. Comes with fries. Looks amazing. Oh boy, this is messy. That's good. Oh, look at that. We're gonna risk it, yeah. Oh, there you go, guys. So good. 5 out of 5 stars. Melts in your mouth. Dripping barbecue. I'd definitely have this again. And it comes with fries. Let's check those fries out. I agree with Cassandra. I'd say 4 out of 5 stars. Really good. Not too salty. Really good fries.
Gilley's is so good. Not even
Highly recommend it. 5 out of 5 stars. Gilley's here at Treasure Island. Make sure you make it part of your vacation. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up on the way out. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.